Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the lessons from HALQA-E-RUMI-O-IQBAL's Urdu poetry. मिले हैं हमको आबा से जो मोती इल्म हिकमत के, हमारा फर्ज है पहुँचाएं इनको अगली नस्लों तक. The pearls of wisdom and knowledge that we have inherited from our ancestors, it's now our obligation to pass them on to our future generations. Today I've picked a very brief nazm from Bala Jibreel, Ghazaliyat section, number 2 ghazal. It's a very unique style of Iqbal's poetry that is really showing up at his early stage of writing poetry, early age. In this particular nazm, Iqbal addresses Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the creator, in a very unique way, and makes the point that if humankind succeeds in their mission on this earth, then it's to the advantage of the creator himself. And if the humans fail and don't do very good, then it's really not fulfilling the purpose for which, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you had created us. So you better make sure that we succeed so that your mission is true to its purpose of creation. It's an amazing style where Iqbal can address the creator. Not many poets even go that route or even think of things of this nature. Iqbal says, agar kaj rohe anjum, आसमान तेरा है या मेरा. ओ अल्लाह, अगर कजरो है अंजुम, आसमान तेरा है या मेरा, मुझे फिक्र जहां क्यों हो, जहां तेरा है या मेरा. अगर हंगामा हाय शौक से है लामकान खाली, अता खता किसकी है यारब, लामकान तेरा है या मेरा. और उसे सुबह अजल इनकार की जुर्रत हुई क्यों कर, मुझे मालूम क्या वो राजदां तेरा है या मेरा. और मोहम्मद भी तेरा, जिब्रील भी, कुरान भी तेरा, मगर ये हर्फ शीरी तर्जमा तेरा है या मेरा. और इसी कौकब की ताबानी से है तेरा जहां रोशन, ज़वाले आदम खाकी ज़यां तेरा है या मेरा. ब्यूटीफुल. अगर कज रो है अंजुम, अगर सितारे उल्टे सीधे चल रहे हैं, सीधे रास्ते पे नहीं है, आसमान तेरा है या मेरा, the sky is yours or mine. If the stars are off track and if they are walking haywire here and there, how should I care? The sky is yours. You created the stars and you created the skies. मुझे फिक्र है जहां क्यों हो. Why should I worry about this world, this universe? जहां तेरा है या मेरा. Is this universe yours or mine? You are the owner of all of this. So if anything goes astray or wrong, it's not no loss to me, it's your loss. अगर हंगामा है शौक से है लामकान खाली. लामकान is where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala resides. Hangama hai shauq means the passionate activities, things happening of different natures, every day different ones. Hangama hai shauq, activities of the desires and compassion of people are the beings. If in your lamakan, in the space where you abode, where you live, nobody else is living there, nothing else happening there, there's no activity happening there as compared to the earth. If that place is void of all this activity, why should I have any worries about that? Because lamakan is yours, not mine. Khata kiski hai yaar? Whose fault is it? Lamakan tera hai ya mera. और उसे सुबह अजल इनकार की जरूरत हुई क्यों कर. How did he dare to deny or refuse or disobey on the first day or the day of creation of Adam? Subh Azal, when this universe was created, at the dawn of creation, how did the Iblis have the courage to refuse to bow down to Adam? He disobeyed you. How did he get that courage? मुझे मालूम क्या, how do I know? वो राजदान तेरा है या मेरा. You know his secrets. You created him. I have no connection with him. I did not know anything about him. So you know about the secrets between you and him. So how did he dare refuse your order? I have no idea. I have no knowledge, and I just can't be blamed for that. और Muhammad bhi tera, Jibreel bhi, Quran bhi tera. The Prophet, the final messenger is yours. The angel Gabriel that brought the message, he's also yours. And the message, of course, is yours too. So all these three entities belong to you. मगर ये हरफ शीरी तर्जमा तेरा है या मेरा. But tell me, or think about it, this sweet word, this word that is very sweet, is this representing you or me? Now here Iqbal is trying to say that all of this basically is that I kind of manifest whatever is written in Quran and what has been taught to the humans through your messenger, that we play it out, we live it. This which should represent us in representing you. So he's just taking some credit for it. He says basically, although all of those things, the holy messenger himself and angel Gabriel that brought the message and the message itself, although you created them, but they actually represent me and my actions on this universe, in this world. Then he makes his point, and for this I think he wrote the entire nazm. He says, "Isi kaukab ki tabani se hai tera aur jahan roshan." Your world is illuminated because of the brightness of this star being the humankind, human being. The human being, if he shines and succeeds in his mission, then your universe is illuminated. So zawale adme khaki jehān tera hai ya mera. So think about it. If this Adame Khaki, this man made out of clay, if he goes down, if he gets a zawal, if he actually becomes low, and if he regresses and does not live up to his mission, Zehan, loss, tera hai ya mera, this loss is yours or mine. In other words, if human being fails in his mission and he goes down, does not progress but actually regresses, zawal, then this loss is really your loss, not mine, because the purpose of his creation was that he glorifies you and he makes your being manifest in this universe. Your creation then, because of his activity, his actions and his teaching and preaching, and talking about you as a creator, glorifying you, then makes your identity known to the rest of the creation. So if he failed in his mission, actually it's your loss, not mankind's loss. So implied in this nazm is, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, make sure that we succeed, give us the ability to succeed in our mission, recognize that we are here for a purpose, and come back to you glorified, come back to you successful on our mission to glorify you. Until we meet again, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.